Hello and welcome to another video. This is Canadian dollar, Japanese yen daily chart, and let's see together where is our support, where is our resistance, and what will happen in next days. First of all, we have a very big bearish wedge here, and our resistance here is here. And in long term, maybe we have a bearish trend until here. If I use this pitchfork here, this is our upper line and this is our resistance here. In 240-minute chart, we have an Elliott wave here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think in future, market can touch this trend line. And maybe here is target. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget like and subscribe.